Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful trendy ideas. Handbags. Here are some ideas for handbags for girls and women's latest crochet pattern. Beautiful handbags and elegant and different decent look. So I hope you like it. New and latest ideas like different beautiful styling and designing handbags organization. Create a system for organizing your handbags to keep it ready and beautiful ideas. You can use pouches, mini organizer or divider. Handbag collection display. If you have a collection of handbags, consider displaying them creatively in your home, like on a delicate shelf or hooks on the wall. Different trends and different looks. Explore the latest trends in handbags, including style, colors, and materials, and see how you can incorporate them into your wardrobe. Like a handbag storage solution, find creative storage solution for your handbags, especially if you have limited space. Handbags fashion tips. Learn how to pair different handbag styles with outfits to create stylish looks. For latest stylish and looks, feel free to ask for more information or details or any of these ideas. I hope you like it. So guys, please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end. Mention me comment section for your feedback and response. Are you looking for information on types of handbags, shopping, recommendation, or something else related to handbag style and design?